What if I told you? White can sacrifice a pawn on move 4 and unleash absolute chaos. Welcome to the Evans Gambit, one of the most dangerous opening weapons in chess history. White begins with e4 and knight f3, claiming the center and attacking black's e5 pawn. After bishop c4 and bishop c5, we enter the Italian game, but white has no intention to play quietly. On move 4, b4, the Evans Gambit. White offers a pawn to lure the bishop away and gain time. Black accepts with bishop takes b4, and white plays c3, gaining control of the center and opening lines. The bishop retreats to a5, and now comes d4. White strikes the center with full force. After black pawn takes d4, white kingside castling, not afraid of being a pawn down. Black tries to keep the extra pawn with d3, but that gives white huge initiative. Now, queen b3 puts pressure on f7. Black defends with queen f6. But white pushes again, e5, attacking the queen and clearing space for the rook. The queen slides to g6, and white finishes development with rook e1, and the rook is now eyeing the e-file. White's compensation? Huge activity, open lines, and black's king is stuck in the center. The Evans Gambit isn't just flashy, it's dangerous. If black doesn't play accurately, they can be crushed before move 20. Want to learn how to punish every mistake after this? Subscribe, and let's dive deeper next time.